Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this 3 globe vanity light from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's unpack it, look at its design, get it installed, and see how it looks. Okay, it came packaged very well. Had the installation instructions right on the top. The light was sandwiched in between two thick uh, blocks of styrofoam taped together. The light itself was protected with shrink wrap. Beautiful oil rubbed bronze finish, as you can see. 20.5 inches long, 4.7 inches tall. With the globe zone, the light will be 8.5 inches in height. Very beautiful finish. And taking a look at the glass globes, they're very well designed, very beautiful thick glass. Okay, easy installation. You have a couple of screws on the top and the bottom, then the bracket on the back. So let's get this installed. This requires 2 screws to mount the mounting plate. And the screws and all the hardware comes included with the light. This light can be installed with the globes facing up or facing down. Once these are tightened down, you get the electrical wiring hooked up. Then the light just slips over that bracket and you have 2 screws at the top, 2 screws at the bottom to secure the light to the bracket. After this, we're ready to install the globes. Just unscrew the collars on each of the 3 lights. Slide up the glass globes. Screw the collars back on securely. Now we're ready to install the bulbs. The bulbs were not included. I'm using the Edison bulbs. It requires 3 E26 base 60-watt bulbs. So get those screwed in. This light is waterproof, and as you can see, compared to just a normal glass, it's about 4.7 inches high. So here's a closer look. So let's turn the light on. Very bright light, 60 watts each. Very beautiful oil rubbed bronze finish. So I highly recommend this vanity light from ZU.